Why most of Forex traders fail? Is the answer of this question important? I think no. The important question is, what is the solution? Hello and welcome to Mini Traders. We have many videos and articles about mistakes and reasons why most of Forex traders fail. Most of them are about saying some reasons and not giving a solution. So again, they let watchers in darkness and this failure goes on and on. Let's face some of these problems in this video, but before we start, subscribe and hit the notification bell under this video for supporting us and using other useful contents of this channel. Most of videos in this field say about these factors. Money management is everything. Psychology is the key. You should have a strategy. You should stick on your strategy. You should be disciplined and do whatever your strategy says. I don't want to repeat this kind of advices. You know they have some missing point, but after knowing all of this, most of traders still fail. Let's step beyond these cliches. Let's take a look at making a solution. I have seen lots of traders with written objective strategies who follow their strategy step by step, write down their trading journal precisely, but still not making money. And their results after lots of trading is a little bit worse than break-even. Most of the times it's because they don't have a strategy. And their written strategy is an illusion. Let me clear it. You have a blank paper and you want to write down your strategy. What would you write? A collection of setups which you have seen in courses? Do you really think it would give you money? In such a market full of hunters who want to get your money? It doesn't make sense, does it? Let's see what happens to a beginner. He hears about trading and investing in Forex or cryptocurrencies or any other markets. Install some platforms and trading demo. See, it seems easy and tries more trading. Some of them start trading with real money, some of them stay in demo in this level. Then, after realizing he needs more knowledge, he starts participating in some courses. Technical analysis course. He would know lots of patterns, trend lines, support and resistance levels, indicators, etc. Then risk management rules, a little bit about psychology. This is how it goes for everyone. Now, after knowing all of this information, the path is unclear. How should we write a strategy? What is a strategy? Most of traders fail to go forward from this step. This is where most of traders are. Again, you know what happens next. A new setup, trade with the setup, after a few trades, some lost trades, next setup, and this will go on. There is some other point here. There are some traders who think they are trading with their strategy for a long time and they don't get results. This is why they are testing lots of setups together. For example, imagine a trader who wants to trade with classic technical analysis rules. What he writes in his strategy paper is made up of, for example, 10 setups with patterns like head and shoulders and each type of triangles, etc. and some setups with support and resistance levels and some other setups. If you want to stick to this strategy and test it in real time, You would need more than 300 trades at least if you have only 10 setups. It would take lots of time. This is why most of traders cannot do so. What is the solution? What should we do for having a strategy? Make it easy for yourself. Start with one setup. Finding one setup is easy. You can find it in the internet easily. Your setup must have solid rules. The less your setup involves your emotions into work, the better it is. The next step is back testing. You cannot test your setup in real time at first. It will take lots of time, so back test your strategy in past time. I have some videos about backtesting and you can watch them to learn how to backtest. Each setup should have at least 30 trades in backtesting. Then the results would be statistically reliable. Then if the results was good, you can add it into your strategy paper. If you are working like this and you have made your strategy with these features, then you can stick on it and trade with it, and all other factors like discipline and psychology makes the rest of it. The complete solution for trading problems cannot be included in one video. I will try to make more videos in this field, so subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share this video with anyone you think that might need it. Thanks for watching, have a good time and bye.